Hi guys, how was your weekend? You had a good weekend? It was so beautiful. It was warm and it was sunny and you could get out and you could go to the beach. Some people went to the beach. Some people were walking in the park, right? I like when you get to go outside. Miss Kathy says go outside every day. Every day. And what did we do? We learned about flowers. Did you go outside and see the colors like I asked? Did you draw the picture of the beautiful colors, the blue of the sky and the white clouds and the green trees and the colors of all the flowers? All the flowers are so beautiful. There's purple and pink and red and orange and yellow. There's even blue and green. There's all kinds of colors in the sky and in the world right now. It's beautiful. That's what I want you to do. I want you to look. Every time I open my eyes and I look out the window, there's this beautiful color there. Color gets you going. It makes you feel good. So I want you to notice it and be there with it, okay? All right. So now this coming weekend there's a holiday, and we don't talk about it all the time, but it's a holiday for the United States of America. And it's to celebrate the people who were in the Army and the Navy, who were in the military, who keep us safe. So that's what we're celebrating. We're celebrating staying safe, which is kind of cool because that's why we're home, to stay safe, right? So there's people out there, and they're out there now, and they're keeping us safe. They're bringing in ships so people can get better and not be sick anymore. They're making sure that everybody is being good to each other. So the name of the holiday is called Memorial Day, and it's to remember. Memorial means to remember. So we want to remember people who kept everyone safe, right? And so the people that we're talking about are in the United States of America. Almost all countries have this kind of a holiday, I think. And this one for United States is at the end of May. So if we were in school, we'd stay home, but we're home anyway, so yay! So we're going to celebrate America this week. And one of the ways that we know about America is our flag. When you see our flag, then you can see that this is our country, the United States of America. We all live here, right? Do you remember what color the flag is? Yeah, there's three colors in our flag. It's red, and it's white, and it's blue. And so today we're going to make a flag. But before we do that, we're going to do the worksheets all week have that kind of a theme to it. So stars, because there's stars on our flag. And there's also like Uncle Sam, who's like supposed to, when we look at Uncle Sam, we're supposed to say, oh, that's the United States of America. So the worksheet today has stars and flags on it. And mine got cut off a little at the top. Yours is going to say name at the top. So what do you do at the top of your worksheet? You write your name. Exactly. Now these are numbers. There's a number in the middle of every box. There's 3 pictures and the number in the middle. 3 stars, 3 flags. 3 flags, 3 stars. Now the number in the middle on this first one is 7. And there's 2 empty stars, and we want to put numbers in there. And we want to put the number that comes before 7 and the number that comes after 7. All right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, what number came before 7? Let's do it again. This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 goes in the first star. So 6, 7, and what comes here? 8. Exactly. 6, 7, 8. Let's try this one. What's this number? Can you see it? 9. So let's do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what came before 9? Some of you are going to know it already. And those of you who don't, then we just count again and put our fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. The one, when we have one finger left, that's the number that we're going to count. So we've got 8. You put the 8 in that flag right there. 9. And what comes after? 8, 9, 10. Yeah. You want to do another one? What's this number? Can you see? 3. 3. So here's 3. Well, let's count 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 3 fingers. We want to know the number that comes before 3. So we're going to count again, and when we have 1 finger left, we stop, and that's the number. 1, 2. So we have 1 finger left. And what number did we say? 2. So it's going to be, put a 2 here. 2, 3. And then you just figure out the next number. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. All right, let's do this one. What's that number? 6. So we're going to do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we count, and when we have 1 finger left, that's the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? We put a number 5, then there's 6, and what comes next? 5, 6, 7. All right? See if you can do it. See if you can do it. I think you probably can, but you could have some help if you want with that. Okay? All right. It's called before and after. Before the number and after the number. All right. Good job. Good job. This is the craft that we're going to do today. It's actually 2 flags. There's a flag at the top. It's actually 4 flags. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're not going to cut out all 4 flags. You're going to cut out a rectangle, right, of the 2 flags. And then you're going to color them. And do you know what a flag looks like? I don't have one with me. I'll have to show you tomorrow. I'll find one. But there's red stripes and white stripes. So you color the top one red and leave the next one white. Then red, then white. Red, white. So you skip. Every time you do a red one, then you skip the next one and that'll stay white. And then you don't color in the stars, but you color blue around the stars. All right? So cut out the rectangle, color in both flags, and then I'll show you. I don't have scissors with me, but I can show you what I'm talking about. So here's the rectangle. You color both of them, and then you fold it in half, and you can put a straw or a popsicle stick or a rolled up piece of paper in between here and glue it together, and then you've got a flag. And it's on both sides. Okay? All right, so we're going to make a flag. It's just coloring and cutting today. A little bit of gluing. All right? All right. By the end of this week, I need the videos so I can put them together for you. So don't forget to do the videos. You're doing them. I see people doing them. Yes, yes. And then we'll make a really cool video that you can listen to for your whole life. It'll be there forever. All right? So we'll have a couple minutes left. So why don't we do the song with the sign language, and then if you can just do sign language to it, do it. If you can sing it, sing it. If you can dance to it, dance to it. Whatever you can do to the music so I can get you in on the video, okay? Don't forget, Mommy needs to write permission. I give permission for my gorgeous, beautiful, wonderful, intelligent child to be on the video that will be on YouTube, okay? So let's try it. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white. The bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world. That's it. I think you got it. I think you can do this. It's going to be perfect. And then we'll be together on the video. All right? All right, now I need you to help out Mom at home. You can make food with Mom. You can help Daddy rake up the grass outside. You can pull weeds out of the garden. That would be cool. You can water the garden with water. You can put your toys away and fold the clothes. You can wash the floor and vacuum. I see you vacuuming. So you got a lot of stuff you got to do around that house, I think. And outside too, all right? So you be good. You do what mommy and daddy say. Wash your hands. How long? 20 seconds. You do the palms. You do the back of your hands. You do in between your fingers. You do your thumbs. And you do your fingernails. And then rinse under the water. Under the water, yeah. Cough in your elbow. Sneeze in your elbow. Achoo. Okay? Wear a mask. When you go out somewhere and there's people around, wear a mask so you don't get people sick and you don't get sick. Because Miss Kathy says, don't get sick. You have to stay healthy. Don't get hurt. Don't get sick. Okay? All right. I love you. And I miss you a lot. But we'll be together soon. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.